this afternoon was really great. I really think we should see each other again if you will want to, you know. Yeah. So when you are free. Um yeah, yeah, that definitely works for me. Anyway, it's unfortunately it's time for me to go. So, but before I go, I definitely want a hug, okay? And you know what kind of date it would be if I don't get at least one kiss? Wait. Wow, what scent is that? What kind of cologne you use? Oh my god. What is that sound? Oh, it smells really good, but just oh, it's making my nose a little tingle. mm. What did you said? What kind of brand? Really? Yeah, it's really good. Mm. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, so. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I sneezed all over you. Oh my god. But I feel like it's not done yet. Oh, oh my god. I hope you won't wear this cologne again on our next date, or you will if you just in a case you like this, but I'm so sorry. Let me just oh, oh, your cologne is so strong. I'm not sure if I ever smell anything like that. I definitely like it. It's just my nose. Oh, so I'm sorry, but I have to go. And let me know how we will do it. Okay. Bye bye.